Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be discussing about computed columns. It's been a while since I posted my last video. So thought of starting the series where I share the learnings, the day-to-day learnings with you guys. So last week I came across computed columns, although I know the concept and have known the concept for a while, but it was good to go over it and find out the details. So that's what I'm going to share with you. So computed columns, as the name suggests, are the columns that are computed at runtime. So let's start and create a table first that will have a computed column. So in this particular table, this is a temp table. In this we have column 1, column A, column B, and column C is our computed column. So let's go ahead and execute this query. So it says that the table already exists because I might have been playing around with it. So let's try to delete that and recreate it. So now it says the table has been created. So let's see what happens when we try to insert values into this table as well as into the computed column. So the expectation is if you try to insert a value to the computed column, it will throw an error because in essence, or if you go by logic, it should compute the value based on the expression that is column A plus column B. So now let's see what happens here. So let's try to insert this row, and you can see that we got an error saying that column name or number of values supplied does not match the table definition. What it means is the query optimizer or the query engine believes that the table compute test has only two columns, column A and column B, and column C is not part of the declaration, and that's why you got this error. Now let's try to get rid of the value for column C and see what happens. So this time it was a success. Now try to query the data inside this table. Let's see how many rows or what values it returns. And you can see that the value that it has returned is 3, which is correct because 2 plus 1 is 3. Similarly, if you try to perform an update operation on the computed column, it will throw an error, as we will notice just now. See, you got an error that the computed column C cannot be modified because it is either a computed column or is the result of a union operator. Now, there is another concept of a keyword called persisted, which you can use with the computed columns. What it means is that the query engine will store the value inside this table, compute test, and it will be a permanent storage. So unlike in this case, what we did just now, where the column C value was calculated at runtime, if you use persisted keyword, the value will be stored inside the table. So that would be useful when your table has a large number of rows, for example, in the ranges of millions or thousands. And if you want to fetch the results in a faster way, then you can use this persisted keyword. And persisted keyword will also allow you to create indexes on the computed columns. This will also be useful when you have a large table. So that was it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you know more about computed columns, please share your thoughts and comments in the box below. And if you know some hacks about SQL Server as far as development goes, please share that as well. Let's share each other's learning and let's try to grow together. Bye, guys. We'll meet in the next video.